Good morning. Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie, and in today's video, I am finally decorating. I wanted to have everything decorated for Memorial Day, but we have just been really busy working on the garden and trying to get our four-wheeler running right for the deer lease this fall. So we've just been kind of busy, but better late than never, I guess. I do not have a lot of Americana decor. I am going to be picking some up between now and the 4th, so I will be sprinkling more throughout the house. But right here, I'm getting my old diffuser going, and the scent I'm using I bought from Bath and Body Works is called Pops. It's with their 4th of July line, and it smells so good. But now I'm just going to get the bar cleaned off, and the house is it's not that bad. Not like normal, but right here I had just made some peach jelly, and I also had made some strawberry jelly, and I'm just taking the rings off because if any of the lids pop off and unseal if the rings are off of the top, I will know. But if the rings are still on there, I'm not going to know if one popped off. And with the ring on, it'll reseal it, but it will have bacteria growing in it and mold and stuff. So that's just not good. So I did not used to take the rings off of my jars when I made jelly. I used to leave them on, but I've been doing a lot more research on canning because I'm wanting to can spaghetti sauce and other things other than jelly. So I just been doing some research, and they say take them off, which is a good thing because one of my jars actually unsealed. The lid just popped, and it is a loud pop. Like, you will hear it. And I was watching TV at the end of the day, and that lid just popped, and it was really loud. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. If any of y'all are new to canning and learning, I am still learning. I've been canning for a while. Well, I've been making jellies for a while. Last year was the first time I canned anything, but this year I plan on canning tons of vegetables and spaghetti sauce and stuff like that. But I'm just going to get all this stuff moved out of the way so I can get the counter wiped down.
You've told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person.
Y'all, look at Wanda. She is getting so big. She's only 4 months old, and she is huge at 4 months. So she's just going to be a big German Shepherd. Valkyrie is a year old, and she is catching up to her. And I was using the Lysol disinfectant to clean the refrigerator because there was some nasty stuff stuck on the handle. I don't know what it was. Okay, so I am just curious. How many of you guys decided to start a garden, get chickens, and start canning? This is actually something I have been wanting to do for so long, which is gardening, canning, and my chickens. We got our chickens last year, and I started the garden last year, so this is my second year with the chickens and the garden, and I am absolutely loving it. And I've always known how to make jelly, but I am just now learning how to can spaghetti sauce and tomato soup and vegetables and all of that. So I'm just curious, who all else decided to go on this venture? I am trying to save my family money, so if I can save my family money by growing all of my own produce and canning it and getting it in the freezer, that's what I'm gonna do. So in my chickens, my feed, I buy chicken feed about once a month, But our chickens also get a lot of scraps. I feed them a lot of table scraps, so every day when there's leftovers, they get their chicken feed, but they also get tons of leftovers. I bought a watermelon and I cut some of that up and gave it to them because it's really, they like it, and plus it helps them stay hydrated, especially with the summer. But so yeah, and then I get eggs, so it saves me money from there. But we also have ducks, so I buy duck feed as well. So, and if you guys not have ever had duck eggs, they are the best. So if you're starting out and deciding to get chickens or ducks, ducks are messy, but they are so much cuter than the chickens. And our ducks will let us pet them. Our chickens will, some of them. Clyde's a butt. Um, Clyde's an ass. So he's our rooster. Um, but the ducks are just awesome. They're nasty at first, but once they get bigger, it's not that bad. I'm actually picked out a spot where I want to dig out the pond, and I'm just gonna get like a pond liner and put down, and then keep it held down with some rocks and stuff, because I want to give them an area that they can swim. But I don't put it inside the chicken run because my ducks and chickens live together all in one. And and this is what I've been so busy because I've been working in the garden, because we've got a fence going around the garden, but Valkyrie can jump it. So we are working on getting some wood posts put in. I just went and got electric wire to go around it. So when she decides to jump up and touches it, I'm hoping she'll learn the first time and not try to jump it, because I want to be able to let the chickens and the ducks free range more often than what they get to, but they do go out and free range. But I'm trying to give them a safe place to do that. And the ducks can have their own little swimming area as well.
Who understands all the clockwork of our romance? You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm a rolling stone. Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
And I was just using thumbtacks to get that put up. Right here on this ledge is just wood. So I just used thumbtacks to get it put up, and then here in a second you'll see me looking at the camera because I thought I didn't turn it on. I was making sure it was on, and it was.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah.
I hope everyone had a wonderful Memorial Day weekend, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. A little quick tidy up and got some decorating done. And I hope you guys have a fantastic Tuesday and a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.